Oh, come on! I want to get in a killing before Edwina comes round.
It'll wait. That's the joy of on-demand Danish television. Megs. Megan. Megan!
What?
I love you. Since that night we met at that awful Tequila Tuesday thing in Freshers Week, every day with you has been amazing. You're my best friend, and I don't know what I would do.
Oh my God, wait. Okay, go. Actually, maybe skip back a bit.
Really, Megs, even now?
Come on, just go. It's like I'm not here.
Okay, I couldn't live without you. You surprise me every day, and should I look into the camera?
Yeah.
Shit. I had a speech, I can't remember. Look, I just bloody love you, Megan Harvey, with everything I've got. You're magic. Will you marry me?
Oh my God, you are so cute.
Is that a yes?
Yes!
Yeah?
Yes! Oh my God! Look at it. Oh my God, I need a picture.
Oh.
God, I've got fat face.
Come on, you don't have fat face.
Yes, I do, especially from that angle. You take it, you've got longer arms than me. God, I look so sweaty. Did you have to do it now?
Look, you're perfect. Oh, ring? What?
What? Engaged. When? Right now.
Right now. That's it. Get the ring. What? What that ring?
Engaged.
What she done?
He put a ring on it.
Oh, I done put that ring on that. I done put that ring on that. That's good.
Okay. I said yes. Hashtag love. God, look at that view.
Yeah.
Hashtag no filter.
Early bird isn't really a filter anyway.
Best day ever.
Hey, we should probably call our parents, right?
Can't we just enjoy the moment for a minute before we have to make all the phone calls?
You tagged me.
Of course I did.
Wait, you did a tongue-out emoji?
Yeah.
Oh, so I was thinking maybe next summer?
Yes. Oh my God, and it'll be so special and unique. We can get a marquee and like cover it in bunting. And also that church next to my mum's house I thought would be perfect.
Yes, yeah. You know, I suppose we should start actually going on Sundays and stuff. Well, yeah, otherwise they don't let you marry there, right?
No, it's fine. We can just go a couple of weeks before. Anyone? God, Dave, is this really happening? Oh, your mum's liked it. Huh.
Oh.
And your dad's friend, Brian.
Oh, Brian.
Yeah. Maybe you should, like, tweet something about it, you know, just so that all the people at work know.
Sure, yeah.
Maybe not that photo, though. I still do have fat face in it.
Who's Susie Fitzherbert?
That is the most inappropriate profile picture I've ever seen.
She's been away.
She might as well just, like, get her tits out.
Bloody hell, she's lost a lot of weight.
Don't you want to go online and write luckiest man alive or something like that?